Hi, my name is Patrick Green, and this is my response to Unit 6 for PEE 551. And the topic is debate the following statement. Physical education students should be critical consumers of sport. Use the textbook and outside research to support a response prepared in a video clip. Well, students can be critical consumers of sport and scope out and try each sport. Um, Many students in physical education do not like sports or the sport education model. There simply is an interest in them for this group of people. I find value and purpose in sports, but students need to seek this out for themselves. Um, Students could do this by following the sport education model. The sport education model aims to foster competency, literacy, and enthusiasm. The goal is to create more authentic and complete learning experiences for students and participants. And it's not just about playing or actively participating in a sport. It's important for students to learn and perform um, roles beyond the player and performer, the book says. By having sports be separated into these categories and microcycles of a unit, such as affiliation, season, and formal competition, this allows students to take on roles of a coach, scorekeeper, game official, publicist, manager, trainer, and so forth. Um, Students can now look at all aspects of sports beyond the game and what goes into everything about that sport. The things that go beyond that take place behind the scenes, the practicing, the planning, the training, um, the management piece, the hosting piece, um, and and so forth. Um, it is awesome that students can still have an opportunity and an appreciation to be a part of sport and be a contributor of the sport while lacking the skills um, to perform that sport. What is great that students do not have to be critical consumers or traditional sports, but they could do this for every sport activity as well. This could be done for dance, orienteering, and fitness and conditioning classes. Um, by being a critical consumer of a sport, a student doesn't have to be privileged or gifted, but they can be included in some way. And I think that this is important because sports play a huge role in cultures, communities, and the daily lives of hundreds of millions of people around the world. And sport can be entertainment, a workout, an activity to do that brings people together. So either way, sports involve people from all different groups, and is done um, through the field of education, physical education, um, which is why students need to be critical consumers of sport. They need to search this out and see all the benefits that sports play in the lives of people.